Hey guys, welcome to the India channel here. Today I have mini squishmallows. I already have 8 big, medium-sized ones, and then 2 small ones. I mean, not 8. Actually 6 big and medium ones. And now, with this and my 2 other small ones, I have 16. So this one is Carmelita, Shozo, Birgit, Delita, Sinclair, Crazy. Bye. Sword. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Oh wait, not the end of the video. Like and subscribe if you like this koala. His name is Keiki. Okay, like, subscribe, share, and check out. This time to end the video.